In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Trello card as done. 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Trello. Open Trello in your browser or app and log into your workspace so you can access your boards. Once you're in, you'll land on your board's view. Choose the board where the task lives and open it. This brings you to the familiar columns or lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Now find the specific card you want to complete. You can simply hover your mouse over the card to see quick actions, or click the card to open its back, which is the detailed view. Opening the card is helpful if you want to confirm details like attachments, checklists, and the due date before marking it complete. Look for the due date section on the card. Next to the date, you'll see a small circle icon. That circle is your completion toggle. Click the circle to mark the card as complete. If you're on the card back, it's right beside the due date. If you're looking at the card from the board view and the due date is visible there, you can click it from that view as well. Keep in mind, this circle only appears if the card has a due date set. If you don't see it, the card likely doesn't have a due date, so you won't be able to mark it complete this way. Once you click the circle, you'll get immediate visual feedback. The circle turns green and the due date text also turns green. That color change is Trello's signal that the task has been completed. It's subtle, but very effective for scanning a board quickly. If the card was overdue and you mark it complete, it will still show as green to indicate it's done, rather than red or yellow. You can click the circle again if you need to undo completion, which is useful if you marked the wrong card or need to reopen work. A quick tip for team clarity: marking the due date complete is different from moving the card to a done list. Many teams use both, where the green due date shows the task was finished and the list position shows where it sits in the workflow. Also, if you rely on filters or reports, that green status makes it much easier to track what's finished across a project. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your board, located the card, clicked the due date circle, and confirmed the green completion status. Simple, clear, and easy to repeat across your workflow.